Sliding door installation. Start by following the manual and attaching all the door trim and skirting, top skirting, prior to installing the door. Next, we're going to put on the hardware for the slider. Okay. It slides in, and it's just a Loctite nut on the top and bottom. There's a wrench included to help you tighten it. Okay, you got the door. After that, we need to add some backing for the track up here. You'll have a shim like this in the kit with one end thicker. Put the thick end to the top, like so. You can use the finishing nails included. For this demonstration, we're just going to nail it on to be quicker. After the backing is on and the top door trim is installed as per the manual, we're going to put the sliding track on. So can you show me the end there, Kim? As you can see, it's thicker on one end. We want to put the side that's flush on the outside. Center it between the two ends and fasten it with 3-inch screws included in the kit. After that, we're ready to hang the door. Sorry. Two people is recommended, but it can be done with one. It's just going to slide through the end there that's open, line up the wheels, and push it through. Okay. After that, we're going to put the door stop. It's a 2x3, approximately 6 feet. If it's a little longer or a little shorter, it's okay. It's going to be attached through the back here. On the corner, you can get a 3-inch screw in here behind, and you can put about 3 or 4 top to bottom.
Do you have this mark? Yeah, it should be T. Oh, okay.
This is to prevent the door from sliding past. Line it up to get it straight. As you can see, this allows it to stop sliding. Okay, and now what we're going to do is put the track on the bottom. Okay, we'll put the tracks on the bottom, which are U-shaped pieces. Careful not to over tighten, as you could split or crack the wood. It just needs to be held on there so the bottom doesn't pull out. If you sink the screws too far, it's possible you could crack the material. Next, the final step is to put door stops here on this end to stop the door from sliding too far this way. Use 3-inch screws included in the kit. Top and bottom. There we go. Your sliding door is complete. All that's left is some hardware. You can attach a handle and a hasp.